My name is Joshua Harris, and I'm a hip arthroscopy surgeon at Houston Methodist Hospital in Houston, Texas. And my experience with Revenex and Smith & Nephew over the course of our hip arthroscopy journey has been excellent. Before this experience, I had very minimal exposure to virtual reality and its use in medicine and its use in surgery, and specifically orthopedic surgery. I had watched videos, two-dimensional videos and three-dimensional videos. However, the experience where you are the person doing the operation has been incredible. It's been just a wonderful journey actually setting up the experience for providing virtual reality to our trainees, our students, our residents, our fellows, and other surgeons. And it's been a wonderful learning opportunity for me to be able to hopefully provide a wonderful experience to viewers of the program. And wearing the actual rig that we used during the hip arthroscopy procedure itself was seamless. It was actually a procedure in which I did not need to make any significant changes to my routine hip arthroscopy at all. The actual camera over the top of the head did not require any significant adjustments from my part. If anything, it actually helped improve my posture during the surgery and forced me to be a better surgeon with better ergonomics for performing the operation. And hopefully this will actually show well upon the actual production of our hip arthroscopy virtual reality procedure. I want to thank Revenex, I want to thank Smith & Nephew for the opportunity to permit me to actually participate. It's been a very joyous experience. I've loved every minute of it. Hopefully this is the start of a wonderful working relationship. And thank you.